Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be telling you about my hobby, my interest and my love in drones. I love drones. The very first time I was ever introduced to drone, or the very first time you can say I ever got my first drone, was around like 4 years ago, when the drone industry was still popping up, it was still new. That was the first time when I got my first ever drone, which was Typhone H from the company Yuneec. Let me show you the bag that drone came in. Do you see this bag? This is the bag for that drone. Now let me show you the drone. So this was and is my first ever drone. You see how many features and functions are in this remote? You see how big the drone is? I used to love flying it. But eventually my hobby started dying out. Reason is because the US government became stricter and stricter with the drone rules and regulations. And they wanted everyone to register their drone before flying. The drone that weighed more than 0.55 pounds needed to be registered with the FAA. So the government can know what you're flying, when you're flying, where you're flying. So technically you have to take permission from the government before flying your drone. So the hobby became expensive because one, there is a cost of a drone, then there is a cost of registration, then there are monthly subscription or fees, whatever you have to pay depending upon which area you are flying the drone. So I started giving up on it. But recently, again, I felt like flying drones again. My hobby was coming back because I had all the time and beautiful scenarios. I was still going overseas. I was still traveling here and there. But this time I wanted something that was compact, that was small, that was easy to carry and handle. So while doing my research on the internet, I came across with this company called DJI, and they had the best drones according to the internet. They are the market leader of the drone industry. So I started looking into their drone, and I came across this one specific drone that was compact, that was small, easy to carry, easy to handle, and I would say cost effective too. And that drone was DJI Mini 2. This came with two options. One was just a drone and the controller, and second was the combo. So this box is not just a drone and a controller, but the whole combo with the bag, controller, drone, batteries, charger, and propeller. So without further delay, let's go and see. Wow. That's it. This bag carries the whole drone and everything that it says. So now, comparing this bag, just for the sake of comparison, this was my first drone and this is my new drone. Now let's put this big boy on the side and start digging our new drone. Wow, nice. This is the controller. We'll put it outside over here. These are, the charger. This is a charger along with two extra batteries inside it. One more charger to charge with the wall. Small cable. One more cable. Some manual that no one reads. And this, my friends, is the DJI Mini 2.
Eternity later.
Last time when I came over here to unbox my drone and to fly my drone, I realized that the drones were not charged. The batteries were not charged when you take them out of the box, so you have to charge them. I came over here, I started my video. It was full winter, everything snowy. But here we are 4 days after, and as you can see, the scenery has changed a little bit. Let's pick up from where we left last time. We had our controller out, we had a drone out, we had our phone out, the application was installed, the account was created. So now what we have to do is we have to connect the phone and the drone together. Technically, the application and the drone together. So this is how it will work. You press and then you hold, press again, and your controller is on. Now with the same over here, you press and then press, hold it again, and your drone is on this time. Right now it's searching and basically it's connected. I saw online that you can fly it from your hands and then you can land it back on your hands. So let's test that theory. This is the drone. Let's click on the takeoff.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There it goes. That was a super fun flight. So they say that you can land this thing in your hand. So let's see how good we are for landing this in our hand. And that was it. That was one of the best drones that I ever flew. Amazing flight, amazing in this wind speed. The drone is only like around 600 bucks, and I think this is the best thing that you can get for that much amount. Flying from your hand, coming back and landing on your hand, and super easy. Records the videos in 4K. And I think that's pretty much it. If you like the video and if you like the drone flight, please let me know by giving a thumbs up to the video. And if you want to see more of the drone flights, let me know in the comment section. So until then, Allah Hafiz.